Bitcoin plunges more than 10% since hitting $70,000 72 hours ago. The slide in the odds of a Donald Trump victory in November might have bulls rethinking some bets. Hello, today we will see in the main news what happened after the dollar decline. What is the status of Bitcoin? What happened after the meeting of the tree? The fastest news. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, press the bell icon so that every new video update can reach you like you. Let's start ahead. What is the possibility of Bitcoin, according to the policy market? What news has come? How many percent are the chances of Donald Trump winning? Keep watching our YouTube channel to know. So let's move forward like our news. Bitcoin continued its sharp pullback after a fast start to the week, with the price retreating to a 2-week low of $62,700. At press time, Bitcoin was lower by 5.5% over the past 24 hours, outperforming the broader CoinDesk 20 index's 6.1% decline. Ether was off 5.8%, Solana 10% and XRP 10%. It was roughly 72 hours ago when Bitcoin touched more than a 4-month high just above $70,000. Markets received what nominally was good news on Thursday morning, with the U.S. July ISM manufacturing PMI falling far more than economist expectations, sending interest rates to multi-month lows across the board. Also, U.S. initial jobless claims jumped to their highest level in about 1 year. Taken together, the data adds to ideas that the U.S. is on the cusp of a monetary easing cycle by the Federal Reserve, usually thought of as bullish for risk assets, Bitcoin among them. Bitcoin bulls mull Trump's sliding victory chances. Looking at the bigger picture, Bitcoin's pump to $70,000 on Monday followed the excitement of the Bitcoin 2024 conference in Nashville and the pledge of GOP nominee Donald Trump to be supportive of all things Bitcoin and even consider having the government hold the crypto as a strategic asset. That's all well and good, but Bitcoin bulls now need to consider that Trump's victory chances are not what they were 2 weeks ago when his foe was to be Joe Biden. New Democratic nominee apparent Kamala Harris' odds of winning the election have steadily risen throughout the week to the current 44%, according to Polymarket. Trump's victory chances have faded to 55% versus 70% just 2 weeks ago. Whether a Harris administration would fight Bitcoin and crypto with the same ferocity as that of the Biden administration remains to be seen, but the odds of an industry-friendly new president in 2025 have gone down. See you next time with the next new video. Until then, your YouTube channel.